what's up guys? Welcome back to WRX Garage. We had a special package come in the mail today. Super excited for this. As you can see, we got the Fortunato logo here. Big shout out to Fortunato because these were custom built for my specific WRX. We'll get into that a bit later, but let's do a quick unboxing for you guys, show you the quality of the packaging from Fortunato. These guys are absolutely amazing. They are truly one of the only hand-built to order coilovers on the market, especially at this price range. These normally run for $12.99 before taxes. Well, I guess I'll just peel that off. All right. So, start. You have a bag of tools, a nice Fortunato sticker here, and this, you guys can see this, is a certificate of assembly or a certificate of authenticity. This one was done by Nate Boucher. Shout out to Nate if you watch this video. Thanks, man. This is gonna be really cool. As I was saying, these are coilovers that are hand-built to order, meaning they're not sitting on a shelf somewhere. They are only built once they're ordered. These are the Fortune 500 Gen 7 coilovers, specifically for the WRX, or the STI, I guess you could say. Yeah, so build date right here, October 21st. Let's see if we can get a focus on that. That's so cool. So we got our baby little Allen key. I'm forgetting the names of these wrenches, but as you can see, all the different hex sizes that you may need as well attached in there. 2 different sizes. What's nice is that they also provide a user guide which goes over assembly instructions as well as torque specs and all of that. How to adjust your ride height, how to set your preload. Whew, I'm getting excited. Hashtag hand built for me. All right, so let's dig into the meat, boys and girls, if there are any. And I don't want to destroy this packaging because I do have to drive with these for a little bit before I get these installed. Or at least in the trunk of my car, I mean. I need to sharpen this knife. And the big reveal. Look at that. Oh man, that is so cool. So these do come, the Gen 7s come with, I believe 24-way adjustability right in the top here. Click it in either direction. What's also really cool is that these locking collars, they do have their own lock. Let's see if you can see that. Bink. Come on. Right there. So instead of 2 collars that you're locking against each other, this does have its own torque spec, and you'll be locking down this collar by tightening that bolt that's in this right here. You can see, you can kind of see the bolt, but everything's spinning freely, not a single scratch on it. I did not opt for the Swift springs, but I may upgrade to those in the future. Like I said, these do come with the radial bearings, 8K front, 8K rear spring rates, and yeah, look at this beauty. So, what did I get custom done? So, essentially, so that's the rear for the car, by the way. Let's open up one of the fronts just so we can take a look at those. When I wanted to switch to coilovers, the main reason I wanted to switch was, of course, the performance, but also the comfort to a certain extent. The shocks on my car are just absolutely destroyed, unfortunately. And I believe it was from the previous owner, but take a look at the fronts. Oh boy, these are pretty. Woo. So again, we have that locking collar on the front. On the top, we have that pillow ball camber plate at the top, milled radial bearings for the fronts. I apologize, I'm not quite sure if they are radial bearings for the rears, but they're definitely in there for the tops. These come stock, they are not an upgrade, they come standard with these Gen 7s. A nice flexible dust boot in there. So onto, oh man, those are so pretty. It even comes with individual little sleeves for the tops of these bolts, for the camber bolts, just to protect those, keep those nice and clean and lasting long so they don't erode or anything like that. What did I do custom? So what I wanted to do was create a coilover that would lower me a little bit, make the car look a little more aggressive, but not an extreme amount. I guess I was mostly focused on road performance and road quality and comfort. So my goal for the lowering aspect is only about a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch from stock. But I also wanted to be able to do something a little unique and raise the car on these coilovers in the winter. So on my winter setup, it'll be pretty cool because I'll be able to spin these all the way up. And essentially what I did custom was I had the shock body and the actual shock custom length so that essentially these come with 3 inches of adjustability, ride height adjustability that is independent of the preload. So what I had them do is custom length this shock body to have the adjustability, so the stock height at the middle of that 3 inches. So essentially what I'm gonna be able to have is 1.5 inches lower and 1.5 inches higher without having any damage on the coilover, without hitting its maximum. And I'll actually plan on raising the car 1 inch above stock height for the winters to help with snow clearance and when I put those big beefy winter tires on there. So super exciting. I'm not sure if we'll, just look at that build quality, guys. Jeez. Oh, that's so cool. All right. I don't know if this will go into the actual install video, so if it does, we'll switch over to the install now. If it does not, then yeah, thank you guys for watching. These are the Fortunato 500 Gen 7s for the Subaru WRX 2015 Plus. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll be installing these video. We're making a video for the installation of these bad boys on my car. And then we'll also be doing a pretty in-depth analysis on the actual quality, what they feel like compared to stock. We'll be doing some interior and exterior GoPro footage of comparing stock versus what these are. And then of course, our personal impressions, because not all of that can be captured on camera. So I think that is about it. Again, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully we're gonna be one of the first videos that I found on YouTube for the Gen 7 Fortune 500s on the WRX. I don't think I've seen any other ones. A Roman Racing, shout out to him. I had a conversation with him on Instagram about whether or not to go with Fortunato or something else, but I believe he rocks the 500s for his track build, so probably a lot more aggressive setup than mine, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys soon.